Welcome back to A Taste of K. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I make Diri, which is rice mixed with Bulgur wheat. The ingredients I'll be using is 1½ cup of white jasmine rice, 1½ cup of Bulgur wheat, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 2 tablespoons of epis, 1/4 packet of coconut cream, or you can use half a can of coconut milk. I'm also using 1 habanero pepper, 1 to 2 bay leaves, 1 mushroom bouillon cube, 16 ounces of baby lima beans. I'll be using frozen lima beans. I'm also using Creole seasoning as well as salt to taste, 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut oil or any oil of your choice, ground cloves, as well as 5 to 5½ cups of water. I have a pan that has been heated. I'm going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of the coconut oil. Once the coconut oil is heated, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of epis. If you would like to see a video on how I make my Haitian epis, go ahead and click the link that's in the description box below. After the epis have been cooking for about 4 to 5 minutes, I'm going to add in some ground clove. I'll allow that to cook for about 2 to 3 more minutes before adding the baby lima beans. While the baby lima bean is cooking with the epis, I'm going to add in 1 mushroom bouillon cube, 2 small bay leaves, coconut cream, 1 cup of water, as well as Creole seasoning. I'll allow this to cook until the bouillon cube as well as the coconut cream have completely dissolved. Now that the mushroom bouillon cube as well as the coconut cream has completely dissolved, I'm going to add in 4½ cups of boiling hot water. To the pot, I'm going to add in 1 habanero pepper as well as salt to taste. I'll allow this to boil for a few minutes. Off camera, I did rinse the white rice as well as the Bulgur wheat under cool water. I did that about 3 times until the water ran clear. Before adding the rice and bulgur wheat mixture, I'm going to give this liquid a final test to see if I need to make any adjustments. Remember, what the liquid tastes like right now is what the rice and the bulgur wheat is going to absorb. After adding the rice and bulgur wheat mixture, I'm going to give it a quick stir. I do lower my temperature to a medium high on my stove that's around a number 6, and I'll allow this to cook until the liquid has absorbed. Now once the liquid has almost completely absorbed, I'm going to add in the 2 tablespoons of the unsalted butter. I'll give it a stir. I'll cover it with the lid, and I'll lower the stove to low. On my stove that's about 3 to 4, and I'll allow this to cook for 35 minutes with the lid on. Now here is the finished product of the jasmine rice mixed with bulgur wheat, which is known as Diri. Before serving, remember to remove the habanero pepper as well as the bay leaf. If you've made it this far into the video, I want you to drop the rice emoji in the comment box down below. I want to say thank you for stopping by A Taste of K. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do that now. I'll see you in the next video.